Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So, yun po ang ating titingnan. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And kung may mga tanong po pagdating sa private reading at sa ating mga charms, mag-message po. Direct message, wag po sa comment section. Okay, so, kumusta? Absent tayo kahapon dahil, yes, medyo busy. Opo. Okay, so, let's start. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Madam, baliktad. Ewan ko, hindi ko alam kung baliktad. Pero, this is it. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, tingnan natin kung ano bang meron. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay. High Priestess in reverse. The Six of Swords in the reverse. May makikipag-usap sa'yo, somebody na talagang nagbigay ng kaguluhan sa isipan mo. Magbibigay siya ng kung ano man, answer, clarity, closure, could be a Taurus, an air sign like you, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Pwede kasing itong taong to bigla na lang siyang nag-cut off. Okay? Yeah. Nagpakita sa akin yung Lovers in reverse. Okay. So, what else? Ano pang kailangan mong malaman? The Three of Wands. So, ito yung nakikita ko din. Si Three of Wands. This is expectations. Waiting. The Two of Pentacles in reverse, ibibigay na kung ano man yung hinihintay mo. Ano bang hinihintay mo? Ha? Ano bang, yeah, oh, you're waiting. Or this could be a fire sign na naghihintay sa'yo. Pwedeng kung sino man, lalo na kung kayo is nakikipag-ugnayan or connect with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, pwedeng meron kang something ibibigay. I don't know, I'm hearing meron ka daw ibabalik. Meron ka isa sa uli. Gamit, or what, something maybe, kung ano man. Like, inaasahan niya eh. Inihintay ka na niya. Or, a reply. Okay? Or a reply. Magkakaroon ng conversation sa pagitan nyo. What else? 4 air signs. The Three of Cups. So, this is an energy of pakikipagkita, dates. Okay? Meron na makikipag-date or meron nang sasagot. Meron na magyayakag ng date. Taurus, fire sign, water sign. 5 of Pentacles. I'm hearing a third party connection here. Merong iiwan. Like, hindi mo alam. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong iniwan na hindi mo alam ang dahilan. There could be a third party involved. Okay? So, anong meron dyan? Anong kailangan mo pang malaman? If you're non-committal. Okay? There's somebody here na pwedeng darating pa. Meron pa. You have to heal. You have to heal. So, wag kang mag-alala kung sino man yung third party niya. Then, hindi naman siya they're non-committal. So, Hindi ko nakikita magtatagal rin or what, yung connection nila. So, next, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, what's for you? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share lang natin tong video. Share natin yung mensahe. 'Di ba? Yun ang importante. Okay, let's see. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Fire signs. The Nine of Wands in the reversed. Surrender. The Nine of Cups. Mas pipiliin mo yung sarili mo. Meron ako nakikita rito na mas pipiliin mo yung sarili mo, fire signs. And that is good. Wala akong nakikitang mali sa gagawin mong yun. Kapag feeling mo, kailangan ko tong gawin, kailangan ko to, or mas tingin ko, mas magiging okay kung pipiliin ko yung sarili ko, then, yeah. Merong nangangailangan sa'yo. Could be a water sign. The Hierophant in reversed. Kita nyo naman, no? The Hierophant in reversed. And the Three of Swords. Expect a separation from a Taurus, from an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay? Ang nakuha ko dito, hindi naman, kasi ang energy is like nakakapagod. Unang-unang card mo is the Nine of Wands na naka-reverse. This is energy po ng surrendering. Para siyang Ten of Wands. Okay? Na naka-reversed. It's like, ay, ayoko na nito. Wala na akong peace of mind. So, mas pipiliin ko yung sarili ko over this. Something like that. Okay? So, iba sa inyo na nasa isang separation, Seven of Wands, kung meron pong may mga nakikipaghiwalay sa inyo and ipipilit nyong hindi, ayaw nyo, magkaka-blockage ka kasi mas pinipili mo or mas gugustuhin mo na nasa isang sitwasyong pangit eh. Meron ditong kabit. Meron pong kabit dito. Okay? So, kung may mga sitwasyong nakakagulo, nakakasakit, nakakapagod na, surrender nyo na lang. Okay? Surrender nyo na lang po. Mga simpleng gabay lang. Pang araw-araw. Mga ganyan. Ten of Pentacles in the reversed. And then what? The Ten of Swords. Fire sign, kumusta ka? Kumusta ka naman? This is like talking about transitions, changes, na hindi talaga smooth flowing. Okay? Masasabi nating dadanas ka talaga ng pain. Okay? Struggles. Yeah, the Fool in reversed. Open si universe para sa'yo pagdating sa new beginning. Humihirap lang ang sitwasyon kung hindi ka makikigo sa flow. Kung ikaw itong lalaban sa current na ibinibigay sa'yo, mahirap talaga yun. Isipin mo, lalabanan mo yung alon o yung agos. Parang, di ba? Nakakapagod. Kaya mo labanan pero hindi panghabang buhay. No? Parang ganyan. Meron ako nakikitang mga sitwasyong i-end for the better. For the better. Okay? Kasi pagod ka na Pero nakikita ko, iba sa inyo, mas pipiliin mo yung sarili mo. Yung peace of mind, yung happiness. That's good. Next, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, water signs. Water signs. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Mensahe, gabay, prediction. Knight of Wands. Excuse me. Knight of Wands. Page of Pentacles. Bagong connection. Merong mga makikipag-date. Merong makikipag talking stage. I'm hearing talking stage. May mga makikipagkilala. Yeah, see, this is new. The Ace of Wands. This could be, pwedeng meron kayong mga makikilala. Pwedeng makakagaanan nyo ng loob while you're in travel, while you're traveling. Okay po, habang ikaw ay nasa paglalakbay, meron kang makikita or makakonect or pwedeng a start ng isang connection. Could be a fire sign and an earth sign. Could be younger. They could be younger. What else? Water signs. What else? Ang dami. Six of Wands. Somebody will get your attention. Okay. The Three of Wands. May mga magbibigay ng credits sa'yo, water signs. I'm hearing credits. Recognition. Yeah. Some of you, ikaw itong makakatanggap ng offer. Could be promotion, proposal, could be offers. Money, increase. Okay? This is good though. Okay, this is nice. May mga makakagusto ng gawa mo, services, whatsoever. Okay, what else for water signs? This is nice. Again, i-share nyo po itong video para marami ang alam at mag-manifest. Okay? So, what else? Okay, kunin ko to. Nine of Swords. Somebody is too scared or afraid. Kinakabahan. Two of Swords. Mayroon dito nag-overthink. Could be a water sign. I don't know. An air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Merong nagsisisi, merong biniblame ang sarili dahil sa nagawang aksyon or sa mga nasabi sa'yo. Yeah. Ten of Swords in reverse. I don't know kung ilang beses na kayong nagkaroon ng pagkakaayos nitong taong to. Pero lagi lang din niyang ginagawa yung mga issue na nagiging dahilan ng arguments or separation if ever. So now, they're like, bakit ko ginawa na naman? Alam niya na nag-expect ka na sa kanya ng changes. Pero, alam nila na na-disappoint ka nila. They're like, nakokonsensya na. See? The Empress. Kainis yung energy nito. Eight of Swords. Ang dami niya ngayon tanong. Ang daming tanong ngayon itong taong to. What if ginawa ko na nga yung sinabi ko sa parang ganyan eh. What if kung ginawa ko na or tinupad ko na yung pangako ko kay water sign, ano na kaya ang kalagayan namin ngayon? Mga ganyang bagay. Madalas tong taong to gising sa gabi, nag-iisip siya. Pwedeng may anak na kayo nito. Not for all, pero yeah. Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so Earth signs. We're now on Earth signs. Okay, the Four of Swords in reverse. Somebody wants to communicate. Somebody na pwedeng na-forget mo na. Na-forgot. O like, binura mo na. Parang ganyan. Mas pinili mong burahin na. Anong meron dyan? Yeah, the Knight of Swords. They want to communicate. The communication card. The Page of Pentacles. They want to start new, start fresh. Clean slate. The Temperance Universe. Maybe the situation is not situationing. Na sinasabi. Oo. Hindi po nakikiayo ng magandang sitwasyon ninyo sa ngayon. No? So that is why. Pwedeng nag-iisip siya na makipag-usap sa'yo, i-reach out ka, pero medyo hindi magandang sitwasyon sa ngayon. Ano air sign? Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Two of Wands. Maybe some of them, they're just like waiting for the right timing. Divine intervention. Mga ganyan. So, Two of Wands. The Three of Swords. I'm hearing somebody is planning na makipag-ayos. Somebody na malayo. Pwedeng may distansya. Or emotionally distant lang yung person. Mga ganyang bagay. Pwedeng may patatawarin ka na. May naghihintay dito sa'yo. Pwedeng fire sign na makipag-ayos. Or naghihintay na lang sila na masettle yung dust. And then, tsaka sila gagawa ng action. Eight of Cups. In reversed. The Empress. Babalik. May magbabalik. Nanay, tatay ng anak mo. And I'm hearing a slow progress. May mga pangako dito kung nakikita na masasabi nating unti-unti matutupad or tutuparin. Okay? Hindi lang siya like pangako lang. Okay? May mga mababago. Kung meron ka rin babaguhin. Okay po. Merong mga manunumbalik sa mga ginagawa nila. I don't know kung anong mga pinagkakaabalahan nyo or pinagkaabalahan ninyo noon. Pwedeng meron kayong mga babalikan. Something could be hobby. Or, yeah, something. Pagdating sa sarili. Okay? Kung ito dating gym rat ka, magpapaka-gym rat ka na naman, mga ganyang bagay. No? This is like focusing on your own, like, physical. Parang ganyan, the Empress. Progress, improvement. Okay? This is good. This is good. Alam mo, ang nakikita ko rito, it's like transition. Even though hindi ito like consistent, pero nakikita ko na tuloy-tuloy. May pag-post, may pag-stop, pero yung stop na yon siguro pahinga, pero tutuloy pa rin. Something like that. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. This is like slow movement. Slow action. Pero, yeah. I think may patutunguhan. We have here the Empress. Okay po. So, there. Yan lang ang ating reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and sa natin pong YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.